How to save money on tires. Why are you spending extra hundreds on tires that don't even last a year? You just changed tires not even 1 year and they telling you they need changing again. Would you blame the tire shop that sold you tires, tire manufacturer, or yourself? Most people overpay for tires and don't even know it. In this video, I'm revealing 7 insider hacks to save big on tires without compromising safety or quality. Trust me, tire shops and garages don't want you to know number 5. Make sure you watch till the end because I've got a bonus tip that could save you over $400 a year. Number 1, shop smarter, not harder. Alright, here's the deal before you buy tires. Don't just grab whatever first offer, as you can get up to 20-40% discount online, cheap and free shipping, but they will not fit your tires. Local tire shops are not always more expensive, they what we call lifesavers. A lot of them will price match online deals if you ask, and sometimes they'll sweeten the pot with free rotations, free balancing, flat repairs, or alignment check just to earn your business. If you buy online, ship your tires straight to a local installer and just pay for mounting, you could save up to $150. Or take that online price to your local shop and see if they'll match it and throw in those extras. That's like double dipping on savings. Number 2, tire size. Did you know that you can change your tire size to save money? You can often go up or down one size safely if your car allows it. A smaller or more common size might save you $30 to $50 per tire. Remember, don't guess when it comes to tire size. A single car can generally accommodate a few different approved sizes. It's crucial to choose sizes within the manufacturer's recommendations for optimal performance and safety. You can type in Google tire size for my car. You will see few websites that you will just need to put your registration number plate reveal all recommended tire sizes. You can also talk to a trusted tire fitter or a mechanic first. It has to match your car's requirements. Let me know in the comments if you've ever changed tire sizes to save money. I read every comment. Number 3, before you pay, look for rebates. Tire brands are constantly running cashback deals and rebates. Michelin, Goodyear, Pirelli, they all offer seasonal promotions. First, you need to identify the retailer offering this promotion. How to do this? Before you buy tires, Google brand tire rebate this month, and you'll be shocked how often you can snag $50 to $100 back. If this tip just saved you some cash, hit that like button to tell us this video is helping. Number 4, rotate or regret it. You've heard it before, but most people don't do it. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Uneven wear equal early replacement, equal money down the drain. Rotation extends life of your tires by up to 30%, which means more miles, less spending. Here is a pro tip. Ask for a free rotation every time you get an oil or brake pads change. Most shops will do it if you ask. Number 5, don't fall for the cheapest. Here's where most people mess up. Buying the cheapest no-name tire they can find. Sounds like you're saving, but poor grip means faster wear, more fuel usage, and possibly dangerous driving. You probably may not realize it straight away, but it could be eating you in different ways and will only notice when it's too late. Budget tires are good and some of them perform well, but don't go very cheap with no-name ones. Instead, do some research before buying. Please do us a favor by dropping your comment below with the tire brand you trust most. If you have used it before, on which car and how did it perform? I want to make a full review video soon, so your experience will help others. Number 6, temperature matters. If you live in a place with seasons, don't use winter tires in summer. They wear out crazy fast in heat. All seasons save you money long term and you can extend life by swapping to winters only when needed. If you want a full breakdown on seasonal tires, let me know in the comments and I'll make it. Number 7, used tires. Most people call them part-worn tires. This is a bonus tip. Used tires can be a goldmine if you know what to look for. You want at least 70-80% tread left and no patches or sidewall damage. Ask for the dot code to check age. Never buy tires older than 10 years. This move is great for short-term cars or spare sets. Just be smart about it. There you go. 7 real ways to save money on tires. From smart buying to long-lasting habits, now you've got the tools to drive smarter. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a money-saving tip. Drop a comment with your favorite tip or share your own hack to help the community. You want to drive us smart and safe on the road? I will recommend you to watch this video popping up next here. How to avoid a blowout this summer with simple tire checks. Many thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.